Okay, here's the new Cuisinart K-Cup machine. On the side here, let me turn on my light so you can see it. Just push this on, it turns. Notice there's no warm-up noise or time. It's just ready to brew right when you turn it on. Lift this up, put your pod holder, which I have mine, I've been off after every use. You've got the arrow at the top, snaps right in like a Keurig. I'm still reaching down at the bottom to push it out of there rather than turning it. It works better when you use two hands to do this. Take it out, rinse it out, put your pot in, and it's ready to brew. Simply hit the brew button, and I have mine set to the highest one. Additionally, over here on this side is a holder. I don't have any spare pod holders yet. I have some on order. This is one that came with the machine. It does hold a filter in it in case you want to use ground coffee with it, but I don't want to do that since my filters with the Keurig machine work with this machine. So this I'll probably just store and keep. And I've got my former filter that I used to use with my Keurig that fits right in the pod holder that comes with the new machine. I have coffee in there. I've got my pod holder. There's the filter, snap it shut, and it brews a great cup of coffee. And I noticed that the ground coffee in this now actually has a hole in the middle because this machine takes longer to brew, about twice the time of a Keurig. But the coffee, because of that, the coffee is much more flavorful. I've just noticed I like dark, bold coffee, and it now that I've had this machine.
Now this is the default size, but if you want to change the regular size, you can do it here.